What do you got there? Is that the pepper?
Mmm. Make sure he doesn't eat this one.
Mmm. Num num. Is that what mommy does?
Yeah? Good job. Well done.
Easy, killer.
Not only is it pepper shaker, but it's also mallet.
Yeah. Slices it, dices it, makes julienne fries.
Call now. Order yours today. Only $99. With free shipping.
That looks great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Want fork? There you go. Oh yeah. Put the food on the fork.
Mmm. That's good.
I wonder how he likes pepper. Uh-oh.
He puts it back down. He's trying to stab it. He can't get it out there. Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
What table manners you have.
Oh, yeah. Did Mama have a bite? Did Mama have a bite? Delicious.
Thank you.
Pepper pancakes.
Mmm. Is that good? Is that good, Daniel?
He said, It's usually a good response.
Good job. You got that one all on the fork by itself.
Awesome. He's learning. He's trying to. There, better chance. Is it good? Yeah? Papa?
Papa?
Say hi, Papa. I love you. Thank you.
Peekaboo. Where's Daddy go? Where's Papa?
Say hi, Papa. Can you say Papa? I love you. Nuzzling Mama. Don't play shy, boy.
Yum.
It's like a hard potato skin.
Yeah. He's trying to stab it.
Yeah. Here, boo boo.
Caca.
No more.
Caca.
Oops.
Someone dropped their hat.
Yeah.
That's this little guy right here.
I keep knocking it off my chair.
Where's your hat, Bubba?
Hat? God bless you for the hat.
Kazoo tight.
Yeah.
Oh, is that your hat now?
Don't say the word.
Yeah.
Then he's like, yeah,
He's like,
this
yeah,
thing.
this thing? Yeah, I got it right here.
Potatoes. Where's your milk? Do you know where your milk is? You almost got it. There you go. Like if I lay this flat. Oh.
I give up.
Oh, thank you. We'll hold it. Pepper head. Oh. Oh.
You're in the call right now.